Hi, we will be presenting our slide presentation for Teguh Padu Sendirian Berhad project. Our group members are consist of Nurul Atira Shamina binti Hud, Adila Atira binti Atim, Zaifah Zahra binti Ibrahim, Siti Atifah binti Idris and Muhammad Hazirun bin Sawal. So for this video presentation, the presenter will be Zaifah Zahra binti Ibrahim, which is me, Siti Atifah binti Idris and Muhammad Hazirun bin Sawal.
Firstly, problem statement. So the potential problems that have been identified in the current hiring system are all the data regarding applicants, such as application form, engineering managers notifying the personnel manager about the job opening, and the evaluations collected from the hiring managers that interview the job candidates are handled physically. Why is this become a problem? Because the personnel manager will feel tedious in handling all the applicants' data. The engineering manager also taking a lot of time in notifying the personnel manager whenever a new job opens. And lastly, the evaluations after the other managers has interviewed the best 3 candidates will be hard to collect. These problems are due to all the process of hiring new engineers are handled physically. Therefore, the hiring system can be improved by building one online site that can be accessed by the applicants, engineer managers, and also personnel manager. So the hiring system can be more efficient by converting the application form that the applicants must apply to an online application form. By doing this, the personnel manager can easily keep track and organizing all the applicants' data through the online hiring system. Secondly, the engineering managers can create new job opening, and the system's design will allow the notifications about the new job openings to be sent automatically to the personnel manager. And lastly, the evaluations made by other managers after interviewing the best candidates can be collected and submitted through the online hiring system. By doing this, the personnel manager can easily make the hiring decision, which based on the evaluations and applications of the candidates as well as the characteristics of the job. Now, I will explain about the data flow diagram of the Teguh Padu Sendirian Berhad hiring system. For the context level diagram, there are 5 entities that uses this system, which are applicants, engineering managers, personnel managers, and new engineers. The applicants will input their application details when they want to apply for a job, and the system will give the interview schedule to the applicants that succeed. Next, the engineering managers will input their description of the new job opening to the system, and the system will notify the personnel manager about the job description details. The personnel manager then input the job details into the system and give the manager's evaluation schedule. The managers will input the evaluation to the system, and the system will give evaluation details to the personnel manager. The personnel manager then can input the selection details, and hiring notification will be given to the managers, and employment notification will be given to the new engineers. New engineers will sign a job agreement, and it become an input to the hiring system.
I will explain the process in level 0 flow diagram of Teguh Padu Sendirian Berhad, which consists register as job candidates, create job opening, schedule interviews, evaluate chosen candidates, hiring decision, and complete a non-disclosure agreement. In process 1.0, the applicant will fill the application form to register as the job candidates. Then, applicant details will be recorded in the data store that named as applicant information. In process 2.0, engineering manager create job opening by listing characteristics to be eligible for the job. The engineering manager will notify personnel manager and share the list. The list of characteristics will be stored in database that named as job information. Next, 3.0, personnel manager will schedule interviews between chosen candidates and manager in charge. Before they schedule the interview, personnel manager will compare qualification of candidates with the job description. The best 3 candidates will notify the details of interview schedule, and the manager will also notify details of evaluation schedule. Process 4.0, the manager will evaluate chosen candidates. The evaluation details will be received by personnel manager and also will be stored into data store that named as evaluation information. Process 5.0, the personnel manager will make hiring decision. The selection details are based on evaluation, application of candidates, and characteristic of the job. Then, personnel manager will notify the chosen new engineers and manager in charge about the decision. From this, we can see that job descriptions are stored so that personnel manager can compare to choose the best 3 candidates and make hiring decision based on it. Process 6.0, new engineers need to complete a non-disclosure agreement which then will be stored with other information. It will be stored in data store that name as employee information. For level 1 flow diagram, we choose process 3.0, which is process for a scheduled interview. Firstly, the job details from the engineering manager will be verified by the personnel manager. Then personnel manager will verify the application details of applicant. Both details will be compared to make a decision. Then they will choose the best 3 candidates for interview. They will schedule the interview based on the interview details such as time, location, and interviewer. The interview schedule of candidates and evaluation schedule of manager then will be notified.
This is interface demonstration and description for crucial process in data flow diagram. The interface shows the evaluation details of the applicant to be collected by the personnel manager and make hiring decisions based on these evaluations and other details of the applicants. There is no button needed in this page because the evaluations are auto-save to avoid the manager forget to click save button in case they are in rush. Evaluation process is important to evaluate the competency and communication skills of the candidates. Next, I will describe the crucial data store from the selected crucial process. The crucial data store for the process is evaluation information, which store the evaluation of the candidates that then will be received by the personnel manager. This is because the personnel manager needs to make hiring decision based on the evaluations recorded by the manager. That's all from us. Thank you.